Okay, we've got to head out to a site where the backhaul connection line has been damaged, and we're waiting for the backhaul provider to show up and replace the line, and also check the modem itself and be sure that there's nothing wrong with it. Be sure it's the line itself that's making it drop out periodically. Sometimes the backhaul modem will show offline, but I will have full access to everything attached to it. So we're going to find out if it's one or the other, if not both. And as soon as the tech looks at the backhaul modem, he probably say, well, we'll probably upgrade this because it's one of the original old modems. Physically, if you open up the case of the new one and take all the guts out, the whole case and the guts of the old one will physically fit inside of it. It's just old and small. But we'll see if that's the case, if he or she will actually update it and put a newer one in it. We'll find out when we get there. Okay, good old John, he's here about 10 minutes early. I've had some that actually showed up 30 minutes early. This is the first time they got here before I did. I got here about 8 minutes till, and I was watching their GPS, and it was showing it was 6 minutes, and I still had 17, 18 minutes. But let's see what we can get done.
Walking through the streets, I'm the Wi-Fi whisperer, setting up signals one by one just for you.
Well, he found that it's the connection, little barrel connector that goes from here to here, which is that right there. You can see how clean that is, and see how brown that is. And not only it's the barrel connector, he showed me where it actually got the water intrusion in here, and he showed me also where it's been nicked somewhere on here, and that's probably where the water intrusion right there got in there. Over time, it actually pushed out the centerpiece. Got so much water in there. Now it don't look like that one's starting to be pushed out a little bit, but maybe I'll put a new end on it. But he's got to run a new line from here, the aerial, all the way over to there. So that's not going to just give me a new line. I don't know if he's going to replace the line in the ground, or he's going to just put a splice on it. I don't know. But get a new line tapped all the way over main feed, and see what he's going to do about the one that's in the ground. I don't know. We'll see. And for some reason, I've been noticing the last two that these fans here loses its power from these power strips that I have, that I thought were going to be ideal, but I come here and the light's actually off, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's the thermostat or the power supply. I'm going to take the fan and just plug it directly into it and keep an eye on it. But he said it's going to take him probably a good 30 minutes to do this, because he's got to do that aerial. It looks like he's got the new line in place. I don't know if he's got it on the pole, which he may not. I think he's doing some testing now, because he went back around It looks like he did put a new end on it. Cut the end off, put a new end. He's around here, probably doing some testing. He's got his equipment around here. Alright, he's got the aerial fixed and he got numbers within the specs that he wanted. And now he's going to come back and repair the ground line. He said it probably should be good enough to be able to just cut out the bad part and splice it. And then he's going to read the numbers most likely and see if he's getting the right numbers to the modem itself. And if he is, then we should be good.
In the coffee shops, in the libraries I roam, teaching people how to browse, how to log